Girl, you're looking snotched lately. It's not giving me enough powder. I need more. I'm a oily bitch. Where's she at though? Jazz. I don't know what. My husband wants to watch Bring It On, and now it's making me remember that scene. Jazz hands. Jazz hands. Jazz hands. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nikki Drew, and today's video is going to be me testing out or just playing with new makeup that I bought because it's overhyped. Instagram people, those damn those Instagram models at it again. Got me spending my money. Okay, I can't even blame them because I'm like low-key one. I am low-key a beauty influencer on Instagram. If y'all ain't following me on the gram, I'm gonna put my handle right here so you can't miss it. So you can go ahead and get my clout up from me. I don't know why I have the sniffles. It's because it's fall. Like, I know why. But I always say I don't know why I have this, but I'm like, I know why. Girl, you know why. I know why. We all know why. But so here we are, and we're about to go right into some of this new makeup that I got because these damn Instagram, sorry, this is a PG channel. These Instagram thoughts are out here making me buy all this freaking makeup just because they get it for free and it looks so nice on them, and it just makes me feel like I need it, and I don't, but I do. And so we're about to get right into this video, and I'm gonna stop talking. If you aren't, you know, subscribed to my channel, can you just do so? My skin is feeling super dry, so I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer because I washed my face earlier. I was supposed to film at like 10 a.m. but you know, things happen, and now it's like 12. My Apple Watch is actually on this hand because I've been breaking out because my Apple Watch. You guys see this? Like, yeah, you see this. Yeah, you can see this. I've been breaking out because my Apple Watch. I have really sensitive skin. I have like eczema, whatever. So I have to be like really conscious about just always having something on my skin. I'm gonna go in with some Lancome blur. This 1 minute blur. I feel like my pores are just trying me right now, so I need like some extra protection. As you guys can see, I did put my background back up. I feel like it's just been a minute since I had a background. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead, play Bob the Builder, put together these little tools, and boom, background. Like, it looks nice, right? Okay, thank you. This is the Fasali Skincare Blur. If you are not aware, Fasali has like, she has this, what is this? This Rose Gold. I use this on my lips all like every day before I film so I can get just kind of like the dead skin off and all that stuff. And she has the, this is everything to me. This is the Unicorn Essence, and girl, this is worth every penny. I thought it was like overhyped, and I did a video. I was like, oh my god, overhyped makeup. But like, honestly, like it really is. Like, it's worth it. It's the bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead with her latest concoction. I don't know what be in this stuff, but I feel like it's made my skincare so much better because I'm doing makeup, but I'm also like taking care of my skin right before. So this is supposed to go in the center of your face, and honestly, getting this out the tube the first time was so stupid. Like, I think they had to do like a whole tutorial on it on Instagram because nobody could figure out how to freaking use it, like me included. I bought it a week ago and I was like, sis, it's not coming out. So I went to their Instagram and they had a whole tutorial for people to watch. Like, they knew that this was gonna be a thing. So that's kind of funny. Ooh, I like her. Okay, now that we have my face, I'm gonna go in with some overhyped Instagram foundation. This foundation is literally everywhere. Like, everybody is wearing it now. But this is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and I have this in the shade She. I also have it in Mahogany. If you guys really want to know, I got both of them. I changed, you know, colors like depending on how much sun exposure I get. So I just had to be secure. I had to make sure I had both of them because I'm really obsessed with this. This is actually not an Instagram purchase. This was a Jackie Aina thing for me because if y'all don't know, she's like, you know, my role model, my spirit animal, my go-to person, my aspiration in life, everything. So of course I just had to support. But at first, I was like, I'm not getting another freaking foundation. I'm done. But honestly, I don't wear anything else with this. Like, this is honestly on my vanity desk as like top priority. But I'm gonna switch to like a Marc Jacobs brush because this is taking too long, sis. Alright, so I'm back attack. I'm gonna just go ahead, start blending this out, and I just like to use a beauty blender. Every time fall comes around, I get the sniffles, and it's just like so stupid because people think I'm sick, and I'm like sitting here like Like, I swear, I feel like I'm a drug addict or something. Like, that's not funny, but I really, like, feel like people are looking at me crazy. Not to mention having, like, this hobo shirt. Like, this shirt came ripped. Can you believe it? Like, this is how, like, this is where fashion has gone now. Oh my god, that Huda Beauty is really full coverage. This side of my face looks really good. I cannot wait to get this in my actual shade. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Huda Beauty. That's upside down. So we're gonna use the Huda Beauty setting powder. I don't really want to try this like that because of the controversy around, like, they stole the advertising and all that. But I am just, like, always here for good makeup. Like, I don't care about the drama. I just want good products. So this is a push to start type of translucent powder. This is a push to start. It's very fluffy inside. Like, when you push it, it's like plumpy. I don't know. I'm describing this horribly. It pushes back. It's a push to start. Okay, that's all you need to know. It's a push to start. Oh, girl, you're looking snatched lately. It's not giving me enough powder. I need more. Look. Oily bitch. So my thing is with this whole, like, distributor, I'm not a fan of it because I like to, like, just shake out, you know, my stuff, and this is, like, kind of making me work for it. And it's like, it's my product, I paid for it, you know, give me my baking powder. I don't understand, like, why I have to argue with you about this. Like, it's mine. She's kind of stanchy, and I don't know why. I guess I use a lot of setting powder, which I don't know if that's what they're trying to tell me, if they're trying to tell me something, but I have to, like, shake her up. Like, does anybody know how to use this? Like, am I the only one who thinks that she is being stingy with the product? Like, sis, you're supposed to be my friend. The two of these combined will definitely be on my channel again, because this is pretty flawless application for me. Like, I'm very happy with this whole look. This is the hardest part for me because I have a lot of palettes, like, that I was supposed to film with that I just never had a chance with. So the newest product that I have is definitely the Sultry. I do not know how to pronounce this. Like, I honestly do not know how to pronounce this. Sultry palette. I have the Nervina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. I have the Gingerbread palette from Too Faced. There, really want to try. Like, I really want to try this because that was so cute. I do want to film with this as well. I filmed with it yesterday for my Instagram. Like I said, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, that's your problem. No, I'll put the handle below, and again, because, you know, plug. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this Bloom shade here. This peachy curl. I'm gonna get all the in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, this is really pretty. I did not know this was gonna come out like pink on me. Like, that was new. That was unexpected, actually. Like, you be shocking me, Anastasia. You be having me thinking that these colors are something totally different. A lot of people, I feel like, when they saw this palette, they were like, come again, chief, this ain't it. But I don't know, like, I went and got it just because somebody, I think like 2 people asked me to get it, and if one person asked me to get anything, like, I'm gonna get it because I'm a small YouTuber, I'm a small Instagram, so it's like if one person interacts with me, I just feel like it is my duty to make sure that I hear them and deliver. So 2 people asked me to do this palette. So I was like, done. Went to Sephora, got it, filmed it same day, edited it, and everything. Honestly, I wasn't gonna get it at first. Like, I wasn't that here for it. I was here for the packaging. Don't get me wrong, like, the packaging is gorgeous. I was dead here for the packaging. But I wasn't here for really any of the other colors. Like, I was like one of those people that was like, unsure. It's like every time I do my makeup, I get an eyelash in my eye. Every time. So I got a hair in my eyes. So my eyes are looking like super glossy all of a sudden. I didn't just like leave and go smoke a bowl or something. Like, I literally get a hair in my eye every freaking time I want to do my makeup. So there's that. So I'm gonna go into this palette here. This is the Gingerbread palette. And you guys see this really bright, beautiful like purple pink color here. Right into her. And we're gonna use the same brush. By the way, I'm using like the Morphe 511. The whole time I've been doing YouTube, I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what's going to bring people into my channel, which is just like what everyone does on YouTube. And now I just feel like I'm just filming like what I want to film. And not just like making YouTube way more fun for me, and just overall better experience. I just feel like my audience, you guys can tell that, like, and that just makes me upload more, makes me more consistent. because I'm more into what I'm doing. This is looking really like pink, and I don't do this. Like, I don't do this often, sweetie. A hot fire red moment. Yeah, this shade here, I'm gonna go into, they don't have shade names, so this shade here is what we gonna call her. I'm just gonna deepen this into my crease. Like, we're just gonna pack on all type of different shades of pink because it's actually Wednesday. Like, it literally is. Like, why not? You know what? I might like upload this on next Wednesday just because. So as y'all can see, I'm looking very pink fire. I should have had a pink background, but I didn't think ahead about what I was doing with my life because that would have been too much to ask. Like, duh. My favorite concealer to cut my crease with is the Tarte Shape Tape. If y'all could hear my stomach growling in this video, I'm so sorry, but that's like reality. Like, I'm super hungry. I'm gonna go into this shade here. Wow, this is looking really pretty. Like, all of these colors are playing pretty well together. We're gonna go into her and we're gonna deepen up my crease. Oh, well, okay. We didn't know we were doing that so soon, sir. Thanks. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go back into the Slush-Free palette, and I'm going to use this shade here. What is this? Rose Quartz. This is really cute. Rose Gold. And I'm gonna poke that into my inner corner. Oh, look how pretty that is. You know what? I'm gonna actually throw that on the inner lid too. That is stunning. That is like, what is like, that is so pretty. This is actually just stunning. Like, I'm so obsessed with this now. I take this shade Pearl, and this is just like this champagne, really pretty color. And I just know, like, something's telling me that that's gonna go really pretty as a highlight. I thought that this was gonna be champagne, and it's like this pink reflection goes perfect, like, with this look. I'm just gonna try to wipe off. She had a little fallout. Look how perfect this eye is. Like, I'm really into her. I feel like I've been doing my eyes for 10 hours. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. So we have two different nice little wings, you know, for those who wanted to pick and choose, because Wing and I are just not, you know, we're just not a good duo. We don't mix. But I tried. And that's you know, that's all that matters. All you can do is try. And that fly liner is actually like one of the smoothest eyeliners I've ever dealt with. Like, it was just really like silky and just like went on without having to shake it or anything. Like, it was just amazing. I'm just gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette again, and I'm gonna use this shade Noir, this really dark shade. And I'm just gonna tight line, or basically just a dead tight line. I'm gonna set where I put that eyeliner. I'm gonna take this shade here. I'm just gonna smoke out my under eye. I'm gonna go into this NARS Wanted To palette, and this is just like my new go-to blush palette. This is what she looks like. I'm literally going into like all three shades and just gonna wing it. Oh, that's really pretty. Like, look how, wow. I'm literally going into like all three shades and just gonna wing it because I know that it's gonna come off like uneven. Oh, that's really pretty. Like, look how, wow. And I just like to use my blush like as if it's a like when you contour, how you go all the way up your cheek. Like, I literally like use blush as if I'm contouring. I just follow my whole cheekbone. Like, oh, that looks really pretty. So then I'm gonna go into this shade here, and I'm just gonna bronze my temples. So I saw this on Instagram, and I was like, ooh, what am I missing out on? Cool. I don't feel like I have any overhyped highlighters. I feel like maybe the Anastasia Beverly, maybe the Anastasia palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills was overhyped, but You know what? Yeah, it was. It really was. But I was going to say, but it's a good product. But then I feel like I've been saying that for a lot of the products that I've been showing you guys, because honestly, a lot of these overhyped products get overhyped because they're really good. And people get on that train of learning that, oh my God, this is really good. And then it's just like, boom, there you go. Everything is really good. So we're going to go in with the Breezy highlighter. And I'm going to use this highlighter. This is actually a foundation brush, but I'm going to use it to highlight because I saw this in a YouTube video. And you guys know I just like testing out things and then figuring out that it doesn't work in front of you guys live. So we're gonna, oh, ooh, whoa, okay, that was like a lot. So we're really getting the whole idea of nose highlight. Like we're actually getting the hang of it. Like if you guys can see, like, cause last time it was a little different. It was a different story. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Don't know why I thought that was a good idea. I'm gonna use the ultra overhyped makeup. I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. This is literally on everyone's, like, this is the last thing you see on everybody's Instagram. Like I swear, like, ooh. Yes, that just happened. And that was natural. And let's see, what do we want for some lipstick? Okay, calm down. This is the Kylie lip kit, and I have the shade Bite. I think that maybe these are overhyped, but then also I feel like these are underhyped because these are actually really, really good. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick version of the same color, and this is Bite. Okay, so this is really perfect as it is, but I just want to have a middle highlight like the way that the eyes are. I just want to kind of match it. So I'm gonna go ahead with Come On Sis. This is from ColourPop. I'm gonna throw her into the center. Boom. So yeah, that just creates more of a symmetry between the eyes and the lips for me, because like they have three different colors going on, and now my lips have like the same. So yeah, we're gonna take down her because we are all done. Ooh, you guys see how big my hair is? Yeah. That's what we are now in life. Do you guys think this is too much? Like, I feel like I should be called Tracy Ellis Ross, maybe like a little Whitney Houston. Like, I'm having a moment of just like Diana Ross, you know, all those beautiful big hair women. Let me know what you guys think about my new look down in the comments. Alright guys, so this is going to be the final look. Yes, she is very dramatic. She's doing quite the most, honestly. But honestly, this is a very fun video to create. It took quite long. It is now 2:44. I think I started around 12. So yeah, this is definitely a clocked in moment right now. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you guys aren't already subscribed to me, please feel free to do so and join the family and help this family grow bigger and stronger every day. Every moment. Alright, but I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.